Hello everyone. Today we're installing a Lennox SL280. So this is an 80% furnace with 2-stage heat and a variable speed fan. So it's a really great furnace. I actually have one installed at my house. With this furnace we're also installing a nice filter cabinet too. So the larger 5-inch filters, they're great. You only got to replace them once a year, so we'd like to see them more often than we do. So not a lot of work to this one really, just a little bit of gas, some electric, and then the flue. So not a lot of work involved in installing an 80% furnace. So here's my partner Ulysses, great guy. That's it. And here's the final look. New switch and outlet, new exhaust, new filter cabinet, and we did a little bit of gas there. So not much to it. Another simple one today. Thanks for watching.